All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is a KC. Money. Money.
So I'm gonna do a prank on my kids, and I'm gonna do my makeup ugly as the fuck and see how they react or what they say. Now, normally my kids are very upfront and real, and they'll tell you exactly how it is. And my one other son in particular, Nate, he's always telling me that I'm beautiful and I look so pretty and my makeup is so nice. So I'm gonna do my makeup messed up and see how they react. So I've been seeing this video go around and I want to prank my kids off. I'm gonna use some black eyeliner to fill in my eyebrows. And my brother-in-law's here and I want to see how he's gonna react too. So this shit is just gonna be so funny. I don't want it to look like too messed up, but I'm gonna use some concealer that's like super white as foundation. So I could look pale.
I'm looking pale as fuck.
And I kind of like want to leave some streaks in there to see if they'll point it out. I want to get like some bright ass eyeshadow. Some neon green. And I've never like, we always prank each other, but I never done like a prank like this on them, so they're gonna think I was dead ass serious with this fucking makeup. And I want to add some dark green here. And I want to add blue. You want me to do blue? Okay, mommy's putting blue. I'm gonna add some concealer. And the concealer gonna be dark because the foundation I used was light. Now for my contour, I'm gonna go super dark, and I'm not even gonna blend it in that good. I'm not gonna waste none of my lashes. Let's see what I could put for my lips. I'll be right back. So I have this Patrick Star liquid lipstick that I never used before in the shade Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I'm gonna use this on my lips since it goes with the green. I never use blush. I'm gonna go on with this dark ass berry blush.
Mama.
And I think that's it. So, Mari, does mommy look pretty? You like my lips? Let me guess. We're gonna go prank your brothers and see how they like this.
Why your makeup? Why you look like a clown?
I look like a clown?
They're not done. Fix them. Look at the ones that's not the right way.
Like trash.
Mark, where's mommy?
I don't look like a clown. That's not nice.
The makeup, the lipstick.
I wanted to be the blue Power Ranger.
The Power Ranger?
You like my makeup?
You don't look done.
Why? I'm done.
No, but like more straighter on the side. The lipstick's fine, but you need more straighter on the side. Here.
You should put it.
Like my makeup?
Yeah, I look a makeup. You should put it.
So you look like a clown, sis.
You do look like a
You
child.
look at a put eye right now.
Yo.
That's not nice.
Stop.
Your lipstick and all that.
You let's take a put eye.
I was trying to look nice for you.
For your birthday.
For her birthday.
That's what she gonna put on tomorrow for your birthday.
What about you, Uncle?
I'm trying to represent for the Colts.
No,
I
for the
think we
party
need a
party.
darker color. Yeah, darker color.
Where's your paint?
Darker color what?
Why you put? Why you? If you want to represent the Colts, Colts are dark.
Her makeup like a paint eye.
Can I wear this to your game?
No, no, it's a party.
Why?
It's a party. It's only party.
You look like you stand in front of Eagles right
What?
now. The Eagles.
You know what goes is?
And now I like your makeup. Yeah, now I like your makeup.
Paint eye.
I didn't see this part.
What part?
This part and the eyes. Now I like your makeup.
Where's my paint eye?
Okay, I'm gonna drop you off to school like this.
Alright, and my school too, right?
Nate! Come here! No, bro. I'm going to the yard.
All right, 1 out of 5. What's my makeup?
2.5. 4.
2.5 and a 4.
Why they trying you though? Why they trying you though?
Mom,